Here's iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see. Okay, and now I'm going to bring out case, and I'm going to put this iPhone on the hot boiling water. So the case is out first, right here, and I'm going to bring out the protection for lens. And this is my own bought iPhone. This is not a sponsor video, it's just like new, as you can see everything. And now I'm going to see what happened when I put on the boiling water. So let's start first. We will put some water here, empty. Okay. Yeah. So fire is on, turn on, and now it take maybe almost 5 minutes to start boiling, and then we will see. Okay, so let it be boil and then I will get back to you. So guys, almost after 3-4 minutes, and it start going to boil. Fire is quite big and iPhone is ready to go inside in the boiling water. So I will start record. And after I will put it together with the recording, so you have idea when the phone go in the water. So let it boil more faster. So I will start again. So this camera area will go first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here you can see. Okay, I'm going to put, and it's very hot, I will drop here. Very hot, and I will drop here. And now slow camera going to dip. Let it be little more boiling, you can see. So I just closed the fire. Okay guys, so here you can see iPhone. Now I have to bring out, here I have to bring out the phone. It's quite hot, and I have to put on the cold because I cannot touch it. Okay. Yeah, still working perfect, as you can see. Yeah, amazing. That was iPhone 13 Pro Max, boiling water, hot. You can see torture or whatever, but it's really survived. It's quite hot still, and there is a message for overheating, but now when I put on the normal water, it's become okay. Thumbs up for that. See you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here you can see. Okay, I'm going to put, and it's very hot. I will drop here. Okay guys, so here you can see I found now I'm taking it out.